Do not buy these Japanese ramen noodles from the TikTok shop unless you want a spicy, delicious bowl of ramen. I'm about to show you exactly how to make them. So the first thing that you want to do is turn on your stove and get the water boiling. Straight from Japan, this is a pack of 5. This flavor is freaking amazing. Also, they come with the spiciness as well that you can adjust. If you add the full packet of spice, man, you're definitely going to feel the heat. Personally, that is how I like them, hot and spicy. Here are our flavors and our spicy sauce. As you can see, these ramen noodles are very thick. We're simply going to dump them in the boiling water. After cooking for 5 minutes, we gotta drain the water. In goes the cheese powder. You want to spread it all around, just like that. Next is the spicy sauce. If you're a fan of spice, add the whole thing. If you do not like spicy ramen, add just a little bit for flavoring. There you go, one delicious bowl of Japanese ramen. Get yours in the TikTok shop. It is linked below. Enjoy.